Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefano Bernardini and in today's tutorial we will talk about Amazon AWS. In the last video we saw how to upload a file into S3, while in this video we see how to pull from an S3 source. Let's go. Okay, let's create a new project. My is AWS S3 poll. Okay. Okay, and now we can configure the S3 connector. Okay. Perfect. Now we have to configure it. So we create a mule configuration file, global. And so we create the S3 connector. Okay, we need the region, access key, and secret key. So let's move to Amazon AWS console. Okay, S3. Okay, so let's create a new bucket. Okay, I can't create a new bucket because I don't have any permission. So I have to move into higher. Yeah. Okay, I need, I'm user 42, so I need to add some permission. For example, now I have this access. I have to add policy about S3. So I add Amazon S3 full access. Okay. Perfect. Now I can move back to S3. Okay. So now I can create a bucket. I can see all the old bucket. Okay. So let's create a new bucket. Poll bucket. Okay. Frankfurt Central. Okay, is okay. EU Central. Okay. Let's create. Back with the same name. Poll bucket 42. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now I have to create my secret key. So I go to security credential. Okay. So I need a new key. I create a new access key. I think other. Poll 42 tutorial. Okay, this is my access key, this is my secret. So let's go back to my Anypoint Studio. Let's create some global variable. For example, dev YAML. Okay, this is my access key, and this is my secret key. Okay, so I have to create some, for example, AWS credential. This is access, and this is secret, and this is region. Okay, this is my access. This is my region. Okay, and this is the region. I think it's EU Central 1, I think. Okay, let's move back to the Amazon S3 connector. Okay, let's check AWS credential access. AWS credential AWS credential secret. Okay, and I think I need S3, the region name. I forgot my region is no, S3. Okay, the region is EU Central. Okay, I don't put this here, the region here. I just use this variable. Okay, perfect. So AWS credential region. Okay, so AWS credential region. Okay, perfect. So now I need to create a new flow that trigger every time I put a new file on S3. So I have to use on new object. Okay, I configure with Amazon S3 the bucket name. Let's pick the bucket name, Paul bucket. Let's put this bucket name in the configuration. For example, bucket. Okay. Okay. So let's simply put bucket. Okay. The folder is I put my file here. I don't put in any folder, but I can use a folder inside my bucket. Okay. So I can put a log in order to understand if I receive the flow. Okay. For example, output application JSON where after the on new object when now what I can for example, this is the payload. I can print the payload. Okay. Let's see if everything is okay. Okay, there is an error. I forgot to configure the configuration properties. Configuration properties. Okay, not this one. Okay. Let's check if everything is okay. For example, test connection. Okay, perfect. Let's see if everything is okay. Okay, I get an error. Let's see what is the error. S to SQS. Why I have to use SQS? Because SQS is the Amazon service that trigger this on new object. So you have to hold also permission for SQS. So let's move back to EM. So IAM. Okay. So I have to add SQS permission to user to me, to basically user 42. So I had the permission. I had SQS full access. Okay. Okay, so now I have also SQS. So let's retry. Okay. Okay, this time I don't have any error. So now I can upload a file to S3. Okay, for example, I can upload this file. Hi. Okay, let's move back to Amazon S3. Pull bucket. Okay. I can also drag and drop, I think. Okay. Upload. Okay, successful. Let's see what happened in Studio. Okay, so I just log. I don't write any file. I don't move any file. So this is the payload. In order to download the file, I need this payload. So let's stop and let's add another activity. What I need is the get object activity, because I need to get this object and write back to my my folder. So what I need is the bucket name. Let's see if I can take the bucket name from the payload. Yes, so I can take the bucket name from the payload. Okay, bucket name. Okay, so it's a payload bucket name. Perfect. Okay, I also need the object key. Let's pick the object key from the payload. Let's see, object key is this one, so key. Perfect. So payload key. Okay, let's see if I need something more. Part number. No, I don't need anything. Let's just write to my my folder. So I already set up a folder. This is the folder where I want to write the file. So I configure it here. Inbound folder. Let's okay. Let's reverse the slashes, all the slashes. Okay. So this is inbound. The path is inbound plus plus the name of the key plus basically this hi txt. Okay, so payload dot key. Okay, I think I need also this slash. Okay, I insert also a log. I insert a log here. Let's copy and paste from here. Okay, this is I don't want the payload because it's I wouldn't want it. So this is after the get object. Okay, and so and then I insert after the write. Okay, after write file. Okay, let's see if everything it's okay. Okay, let's see if now everything it's okay. For example, I can rename this hi2. Let's move back to the bucket. Okay. I need to upload. So let's see if I can. No, I think I have to hit close. Okay, now I can upload. Okay, perfect. Let's see if everything is okay. Okay, so there is no payload key. I need because I need the key from the new object, so I have to save it. File name is payload.key. Okay, so here I can set my vars file name. Okay, perfect. I can rename it in set file name. Okay. Okay, this is the problem. String or null, so maybe I can fix in this way. Okay, let's see last time. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's rename it to hi4. Let's upload it. Okay. After garage, after write file, perfect. Let's see if everything is okay. Oh, okay. Hi4. Let's put another image. For example, my friend Homer. Okay. Close. Let's upload Homer. Okay, succeeded. Let's see if everything is okay. After get object, after write file, Homer. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Thank you, Homer. That's all for now. Please, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and see you to the next video. Bye.